And here is sun salutation B. Sun salutation B has 19 posture at least, a bit different than A. Difference is only posture difference. Now let's start. Come on, Samasthiti position, everything same, leg hip together, arms lengthening beside of your body, opening your chest, opening your shoulders, look at forward. And then A come, inhale, bend your knees, raise your hands up and lift up head and look up your thumbs, draw your belly in. Dviyam, bend forward, exhale deeply and then look at your nose. Trini, inhale, look at your third eye, lengthening your spine. Chatwari, jump back and then hold, then inhale. Pancha, lift Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Stronger legs, stronger arms, open chest, open your shoulders and then look up. Sata, and then exhale, come downward dog position, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Sata, turn your left leg at the 45 degree and the right leg forward and then bend your right leg 90 degree position and then inhale, raise your hands up. Astro, slightly come down, Chaturanga and then once again Vinyasa Nava, up, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, Dasa, Adho Mukha Svanasana. And then once again same, left leg forward, turn your right leg at this 45 degree, bend your left leg 90 degree position, place your feet on the ground and inhale, Ekadasa, maximum inhale hands up, look at your thumbs, draw belly in, exhale and then once again Vinyasa, Sa and exhale, come on, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hold here 15 5 breath, hold your 5 breath. Look at your neighbor, keep Ujjayi breathing, continue. Bend your knees little bit, look further and inhale, take a jump leg forward, take your legs forward. And then once again exhale, bend forward. Inhale, bending your knees. Raise your hands up, come chair position. Exhale, once again Samasthiti.